Wow. Hey, wow. Hey. Another story, it don't hear pata again. Una 1 year and I love to hear the latest news we dey in town. Great person, they just born her today. Eh? Wonderful mama. I know they talk about any other person now. Omonomose. Omomebe one Oshege Nation. Ala Swagger Mama of Benefetti. Come had another Nigerian now. Mama Gabriel one. You know how they be now. I know say you don't understand that. Mama, I come here today. Na me na Lady AB Oshege Nation. Na me. That's how I reach and not pass like this. Mama, I carry myself come now. Come to wish you happy birthday, long life and prosperity, breakthrough, success, prosperity. Mama, you never die before your time. You shall excel. You shall grow from grass to grace. All the good things where you wish yourself, I wish you too. And all your friends, they wish you too. Mama, this your new age shall bring favor, shall bring open doors, shall bring blessing. That thing where you know achieve last year, this year, your new age, you shall begin to achieve them. Mama, who say I not let her taste you for the new age? You know I say they be now. Go cover eye now. You cover eye. So I made the color your day. Make the color your day. Make the swagalicious your day. They go. You know they be now. Mama, even me nana, my dada self, he just they shake it. They wish you happy birthday. My dada they wish you happy birthday. You know they be now. Even my yeri self. My yeri they shake now. They wish you happy birthday. You know they be now. But they swagger for you now. But they, you know they be. You know the bedu they did now. Oh, they shake up for you now. Mama, nothing do you. They brokada your day, they go. They brokada they go. Make them move now. Make them enjoy yourself. They go. Nothing do you. I love you now. Take a beautiful kiss. Enjoy your day.
Lady of Sun. Oh yes.
Film Town Production.
Not a way. Hey, ya kyoge na pega. Hey, ya kyoge na pega.